Everyone, today I'm going to talk about the blueprint of human life. So, human life begins through an incredible biological process that involves genetics, reproduction, traits, characteristics, and biological functions. So, in this presentation, we'll explore how reproduction works. So, reproduction is one of the most important biological processes for living organisms. So, very firstly, biologically, reproduction allows organisms to reproduce offsprings that carry genetic information from their parents. Second, from an evolutionary perspective, reproduction creates genetic diversity. To understand this process better, we first need to examine the male reproductive system. Now, the male reproductive system is specially designed to produce and deliver sperm cells. The testes are responsible for producing sperm and hormone testosterone. The scrotum protects the testes and helps maintain the correct temperature needed for sperm production. Now, the vas deferens acts as a transport tube that carries sperm from the testis towards the reproductive duct. Finally, the urethra and the penis help deliver sperm during fertilization. Together, these organs work in coordination to produce and transport male gametes. Now, if we talk about the other reproductive part, which is the female reproductive system. Now, let's look at the female reproductive system. The ovaries produce the female gamete called ova or eggs and also release important hormones. The fallopian tube carry the egg from the ovary toward the uterus. This is usually where utilization take place. The uterus provides a safe environment where a fertilized egg can implant and develop into a fetus. Now, the cervix and vagina serve as a passage that connects the uterus to the outside of the body and play an important role in childbirth. Together, these organs support reproduction and develop a new life. Human reproduction depends on two specialized cells called gametes, the sperm and the egg. Now, the male gametes or sperm cells are small, mobile, produced in large number. Their main function is to travel and deliver genetic material to the egg. And the female gametes or egg are larger and contain nutrients that support early development. Hormones such as testosterone, estrogen, progesterone regulate the formation and the function of the gametes. When these two cells meet, they begin the process that lead to the formation of new human life. And now, if we talk about the fertilization creates a zygote, the fertilization is the movement when a sperm cell successfully joins the egg cell. When this happens, the genetic material from both parents combines to form a zygote, which is the first cell of a new organism. Now, the cell contains a complete set of chromosomes, half from the mother and half from the father. The zygote then begins rapid cell division, marking the beginning of a human development. Now, this in front of you is timeline of a fetal development. After fertilization, development happens in stages. In the first week, the zygote rapidly and forms a structure called embryo. During the next stage, important organs and body systems begin to develop. By the fetal stage, the developing baby grows rapidly and the organs continue to mature. Over time, the stages transform a single microscopic cell into a full developed human being. Now, for the very last thing, if we talk about the architecture of the species continuation, in conclusion, we can talk the reproduction ensures the continuation of human life and survival of our species. The male and reproductive system work together in coordination way to produce gametes, allow fertilization, and support the development of new life. Through genetic inheritance and biological processes, each generation passes its traits to the next. And this amazing biological system highlights how complex and magnificent human life truly is. Thank you.